Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to derive an algebraic formula that a plus b whole square is equal to what? So first of all, we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we have to confirm or we to check that is this value is right or wrong. So we write that a plus b whole square. It means a plus b bracket multiply by a plus b. So we multiply by a plus b plus b multiplied by a plus b. So a multiplied by a is equal to a square plus a into b plus a b plus b into b is b square. So we write this as a square ab plus ab. We write plus 2ab plus b square plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. It means our answer is right. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square.